Sorry, snapping. Yeah, well, that's good, I guess. All mine just sort of kept on going. Oh, really? Oh. Most these people are pretty good then.
Please eat this. You're in.
Yeah. Well, this ain't talking.
Oh, no.
What the fuck is he calling? Kato. This is not where I thought it was.
Guess not. The world lives. 15 place at a FIFA World Cup when it comes to North America. Elevate every minute of action and experience the very best you can with ticketing hoops.
SVD.
The countdown to kickoff.
What happened?
Damn Taz broke the fucking can over.
It won't open?
Okay.
Future Intercontinental Championship against this man. Down on the ground now.
Low potential.
Right through the piece of that.
Huh?
Right through the piece of that.
Oh, fuck yeah.
The last one is open.
Oh, good. Good deal. We ain't got fucking wrestle no more. Too open doing all that weird, stupid shit anyway. Let us be up there acting a fool. Excuse me, sir. Jeez.
That's crazy.
Everybody's talk, man. Everybody.
I got a big old.
Oh,
You see that shit?
I did. Fancy. Oh my god, I'm sorry, man. The door is open. Fucking, I charged through a door that was open. Bet you won't run out of door no more.
That's crazy.
You mother. Yeah. Yeah, everybody died there. I thought you walking outside no more. Wow.
Hey, I was shooting at the bad guy. You kind of.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's my bad too.
Now everybody want to talk. What the shit? Son of a bitch. He is.
Thanks to me. There you go. Rusev now sees Rey Mysterio.
Before we move.
This is the same thing I had before. You know what this is, son?
See Rusev do well.
Think of your guy. Yeah.
busy fighting ill.
Gun.
And Rusev looking for the stereo here.
Hey, okay, I'm on echo.
Way to look at how quick Rusev. And the stereo.
What the fuck? Okay. Oh no. There was no window there. Okay. Scared the shit out of me. What the fuck? Some guy just disappeared through the door. You don't want the sass?
The sass.
Yeah, the sass. That bitch died. He dead now. Look at you and your Moses. Ooh, you motherfucker.
Hey, I'm reloading. Who's it?
Oh, the guy right there. Northeast.
Station team is ready to extract. Requesting extraction. Over.
Hey, babe. Look over here. I was gonna kill you before, but I did not. I ain't gonna do that. What? How did I attack you? Oh my fucking.
Oh, come here.
We got guys on the point.
What you doing? What you doing?
The squad is in there.
No.
Okay, you fucking helicopter bitch. Why?
I'm so sorry.
Oh, I was getting my gun. You're good, man.
Get. No. No.
Did he die? No. Alright then. Man, I just grabbed the M250. Right click. Right click to fucking stop that shit sword. Man, I was doing so good. lot of shots. Your back's clear. Woohoo! Behind you! Behind you! Behind you! He's the same guy. Okay. It's the reason they killed their own buddy. Okay. Oh. Perfect. The guy who killed that dude ran around behind you. He was like, I'm gonna reload this gun right here. Yeah, GG guys. They choose when they talk to me. They say I have an accent. Like everybody ain't got a fucking accent from where they from. Exactly. Where are you from?